राजधनी ते चरबट जो भी बाबुआ।
North Korea is an unimaginable country. There is only one channel on TV. There is no internet. We aren't free to sing, say, wear, or think what we want. North Korea is the only country in the world that executes people for making unauthorized international phone calls. North Koreans are being terrorized today. North Korean refugees, about 300,000, are vulnerable in China. 70% of North Korean and teenage girls are being victimized, sometimes sold for as little as $200. No humans deserve to be oppressed just because of their birthplace. We need to focus less on the regime and more on the people who are being forgotten.